It'll be cold, but it looks like we can still.
That's a lot to entertain 2 days in a row.
It is, but for Christmas Eve, we just are buying most of the food, and then for Christmas, I'm just gonna buy ham, and we're gonna fry turkey, and then my aunties are bringing everything else.
I'm gonna ask all the defendants to please turn on your video and remain quiet. All defendants, turn on your videos and remain quiet. Mr. Reavers, remove your hat. All defendants, turn on your video. Ms. Robinson, Mr. Ronald Davis, turn on your videos. Mr. Robinson, Ms. Robinson, and Mr. Roland Davis. Okay. Ms. Robinson, turn on your video. And everyone remain in the camera. Mr. Reavers, everyone get into the camera and remain in the camera. I'll put Ms. Robinson back in the waiting room for right now. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, driving, smoking, eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. And good morning, Mr. Roki. Officer Amin Ra. Danielle Daniels is not checked in, so we're gonna just KPS her. If she does appear, we'll just give her another date.
Sorry.
Sorry. Not you, Miss Daniels. There's another Miss Daniels.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we're gonna just KPS Danielle Daniels.
Thank you, Your Honor. You take care.
You too, sir. Have a good holiday. This is the People versus Alvin Dana, ticket number U34132907. Count 1, disorderly conduct. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Alvin Dana.
Dana, state your name, sir.
Alvin Dana.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me. All right, Mr. Dana, it looks like this is a very old case, and it's here for review. You do owe $722, but some of that is like late fees and some other charges. It was originally $500, $550 with the attorney fee. So what the court is going to do is we'll bring it back down to $500, and because you've forfeited your bond like 3 times. With $100, you've already pretty much paid $300 to the court. So that would bring your fine down to $200. So the court will now move the fine to $200. I can give you additional time to pay that $200, or you can just do 20 hours of community service in lieu of paying the $200. Would you like to do that, sir?
I need time to pay.
You don't want to do the community service?
No, not really. I mean, I'm a senior citizen.
To you, sir.
I can't hear.
It's closed out. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Cole, good morning.
Good morning. I was just checking to see if you had any matters you wanted me to review.
I don't think we do, Ms. Cole. Good morning.
Good morning. If you have my number if you need me.
Okay, and Mr. Dana, the court was nice enough to close your case out. She just closed it out and you owe nothing. You can leave.
Oh, I can leave?
Yes.
So the ticket is done and over with and won't haunt me no more?
Yes.
It is, yes.
Well,
Pay a reinstatement fee.
You gotta pay a reinstatement fee, but I mean,
Right.
yeah, only, I guess good timing, because you haven't done anything on the ticket. You haven't done anything that was asked of you.
I think he does a $100 bond, Your Honor. I don't know if the court wants to.
I made payments on the ticket.
You could take, the court could take the
You didn't do anything. But yes, if there is a bond, the court will take that bond.
Thank you. Okay, so you're all set. Your case is closed. Just pay your reinstatement fee,
How much is that?
$45.
Or how do I pay that? Do I gotta come down there or mail it to you or what?
Pen. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen, Mr. Dana?
Do I have what? I can't hear.
A pen, a writing pen?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me get one. Oh. Yes, I have one.
Call this number, you can pay it over the phone, 855
855
798
798
1547.
1547.
Yes, you're on that, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right, this is the People versus Antonio Dozier. Ticket number P137246. Count 1, leave scene of accident, property damage, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor,
Tony.
Paul Can't for Anthony Dozier.
Say your name, sir.
Wow. Antonio Dozier.
Your Honor, this time Mr. Dozier is entering a plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Oh, man.
Can I go?
Mr. Dumas, you have to remain quiet.
Okay, I'm here.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dozier. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Do you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 26th at 9 o'clock.
Said January 26th.
Yes, sir, at 9 o'clock.
You said at 9 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it another Zoom meeting?
It is.
And will it be the same number to join the meeting?
It will be, sir.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Do I need to have or bring anything?
If you have any documents for your license, bring them. If you have a license, insurance, or registration, have them available.
Okay.
If you don't worry about it.
Okay.
See you on Zoom that day, sir. You're all set.
All right. Thank you.
All right, this is the People versus Jerry Dumas. Ticket number P137363. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, improper address license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline
Jerry.
on behalf of Mr. Dumas.
All right, everyone, just
Yeah.
let the attorney say their name first, and then you can say your name. Go ahead, Mr. Dumas.
Yes, I'll spell my name.
Just say your name, sir.
Jerry Lee Dumas.
Your Honor, I assume the offer was a delayed sentence, but I don't know at this point, 'cause the court read some other tickets.
Right, so it is a delayed sentence on the allowing and then dismissing counts. Wait, it looks, okay. So he does have 3 other tickets. It would be a delayed sentence on the allowing. And then on the other ticket with the fail to display, and I could read it, ticket number P105109 failed to display, drive and register or entitled vehicle in a proper place, it would be failed to display and then dismissing the other two.
So, Mr. Dumas, you actually had multiple tickets. So if you want to also admit one ticket for not showing a valid license, you can take care of all your tickets today, or you can come back to a trial. What would you like to do?
I'm 65 years old, and a lot of them I can't remember, but I will rather just go and get it over and pay everything.
We're
if
ready.
I
Your Honor.
can.
We're ready. Your Honor.
So, how does your client wish to proceed?
He's going to enter a plea, Your Honor.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Dumas.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Pardon?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down.
Okay.
Have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki, the attorney, in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 19th, 2022 at 1:26 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2008 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
Satisfied.
All right, so I'm gonna also direct your attention to the date of December 27th, 2019 at 12:32 p.m. On that date and time, were you driving a 2003 Pontiac vehicle?
Pontiac, no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Set that for trial?
Mister, are you sure you can remember that, sir? Can you recall what happened on that day?
Yeah, I can remember. I never owned a Pontiac or drove a Pontiac.
Then we're gonna have to set your matters for trial.
I know that. I know that for sure.
Set this one for trial.
Well, wait a minute. A Pontiac, what? I mean, I'm trying to remember.
Well, sir, you don't have to remember. I could stipulate to the face of the complaint if you can't recall.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay. You know, I think I did have a Pontiac Vibe. Yeah, I did.
Your Honor,
Yeah.
I'm going to stipulate the face of the complaint as a factual basis due to my client's memory.
All right, so with that, the court will accept the stipulation. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Because we have a delayed sentence, you're gonna have to pay a fine of $200 and come back in 3 months. So that date is gonna be March 22nd at 8:35. You come back on that date, you pay your fine, and the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that ticket will be dismissed off your record.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
The other ticket, I'm gonna waive that fine.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, so, your
200.
next date, what did I say? Your next date is March 22nd. March 22nd is your next day at 8:35. Pay the fine and don't get any more tickets.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And come back on Zoom on that day, sir.
Okay, March 22nd.
Right, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, Your Honor.
We're gonna call this probation matter. Ms. Hiroki, this is Monique Reynolds. She's here actually in court. This is the People versus Monique Reynolds, ticket number Z8081131. Count one, operating while visibly impaired. We're here for a probation review hearing. Good morning. Please state your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. T. Tucker on behalf of probation. Monique Reynolds.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, we have Ms. Reynolds.
All right, Ms. Tucker.
So Your Honor, we're here today on a probation violation. This is the second time that the defendant tested positive for alcohol. She just recently tested positive at ATS. Affordable testing.
Judge, excuse me, stop.
You can't
Stop.
hear.
You want me to move up?
Yeah, we'll move her. And we
Okay.
just start from the beginning.
So we're here on a probation violation. The defendant has tested positive for alcohol for the second time. She just recently tested positive on November 30th. So the defendant was warned and asked to come back in to address this issue. Last time she came in, it was stated that it could be possible jail time or some type of intensive outpatient treatment, The defendant has already completed outpatient treatment. I did speak with her this morning just to go over some things that, we kind of running out of time here. She did indicate that she did drink beer. She drank one beer and didn't, fell on hard times, but she was warned because of the severity of the case, she cannot drink or she will have to do some jail time. I am recommending, Your Honor, that the defendant probation get extended and have to drug test here at 36th District Court. If she does have any more positive or any failed tests, that jail time, that she would have to do jail time, but also that she has to get back into outpatient treatment and be successfully discharged.
Ms. Soroki, I didn't see a chance to speak to Ms. Reynolds regarding the violation.
I have not, nor have I seen anything, but.
Okay, we'll have to recall this, and can you send this violation to Ms. Soroki? So you guys can have a seat. We'll have to recall it because I'm gonna have to leave the courtroom for Ms. Soroki to be able to talk to Ms. Reynolds. So
Okay.
you can have a seat.
Okay.
This is the People versus Ronald Davis, ticket number P1361339, count one. I don't know if it's here for the mystery, count two. Oh, we're here for a review. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Ronald Davis.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Davis, he's requesting more time to complete his community service. There was he didn't hear from the lady in time to get it completed for today.
Never got the paperwork from Miss Green to send out.
Okay.
I was calling each and every day trying to apply for what I was supposed to do.
We'll come back January 26th at 8:35. You have the phone number?
Yes, the phone number to the court.
To Ms. Green.
Oh, yes, I have her. Yeah, she was supposed to call the court system, let them know. But I do have her phone number, Your Honor.
Okay. So January 26th at 8:35 is your next court date.
January 26th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, January 26th, 8:30. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good holiday.
Oh, you too.
All right, this is the People versus Chantel Davis, ticket number P1369431, count one, driver's license never acquired, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P1369566, count one, tinted windows. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
It's Chantel Dane.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Daniels, at this time, I believe the people are moving to dismiss.
She paid the civil infraction.
Ms. Daniels, did you pay the civil infraction yet, or she hasn't paid it yet, right?
Not yet.
Can you go online and pay it?
Yes, I can.
I may ask the court to just adopt the offer in any case, Your Honor. I mean, it's gonna be on a record. It's already in default.
It's already in default.
Yes,
Yeah.
and Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, Your Honor, P70303 is correct. Counsel is correct in stating that. So Ms. Daniels, I'm the city prosecutor. If you would get in there as soon as possible and pay your civil infraction, but the offer still stands as a dismissal as to the 2 misdemeanors.
Okay, thank you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Horner. You stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
And how much is it?
I'm sorry? Ms. Daniels?
Do you want to know how much it is?
How much is it?
120, but I don't know if it's any late fees or anything that's been assessed.
I think it's a new
Okay.
ticket. It's a pretty new ticket.
Okay.
Set. All right, this is the people versus Justin Reavers, ticket number SP 1356527, count 1, unregistered, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, count 2, drive while license suspended, and count 3, improper plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Justin Lynn Reavers.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Reavers, the recommendation is my client would admit 1 count of failed display, valid license, the other matters are being dismissed.
All right, anyone wishes to avail himself to that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Reavers. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
And that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to plea.
I didn't hear the last part. I'm sorry.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to May 23rd, 2022 at 4:33 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near Warren Avenue and Lilly Bridge in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
You're driving a 2017 Buick vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
You're driving while your license was suspended.
Excuse me.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to counts 1 and 3 to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Right, they're dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Mr. Reavers, can you have that fine paid by January 25th?
January 25th. Can I get like the first week of February? Christmas kind of told me up, and I just, and it's on record. I just paid a ticket like not even a month ago. I just paid another ticket. And I paid another ticket after that. So I didn't pay 2 tickets in the last probably like 2
February
months.
23rd is your next date, sir. It's due
Okay.
by February 23rd.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the people versus
Can I leave?
Joseph Darrell. Yes, Mr. Davis.
Okay, thank you.
This is the people versus Joseph Darrell. Ticket number
Yeah.
P1350459. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Passenger. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, violation of license restriction. And ticket number P1321144. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driver title vehicle. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Joseph Darrell.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Joseph Darrell. At this time, Mr. Darrell's continuing his plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Darrell. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value
No.
to waive the right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
And you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 26th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, so I got to do right on this, what I did on here?
Say that again?
I got to put that number in and go on the same thing like I just doing right now?
Yes, it's on Zoom, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
It's on Zoom.
Okay, all right.
Good luck to you, sir.
I can go?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Have a nice day.
Bernicia Robinson, can you turn on your video and unmute yourself? This is the People versus Bernicia Robinson, ticket number P1373074, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Venetia Robinson.
Say your name, Ms. Robinson. Ms. Robinson, say your name, please.
Oh, Vernicia Robinson. I'm sorry.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that you're having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
The court will be the what?
Fact finder. The court will be the one to determine whether you're guilty or not.
Yes.
All right, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 26th at 9 o'clock.
Okay. I did have a question about because I did have another ticket that was supposed to be handled, but when I went on there to look to see what time my court date was today, it said I had missed the court date on the 2nd for that ticket. But I got it on the same day, the same ticket that was supposed to be handled today. Did you hear me?
Yeah, we're looking now.
Okay.
On the 4606655 number, can you tell me your name?
Hello.
Yes, what's your name?
How you doing? My name is Ivory Riller Benson.
You ready, Mr. Soroki, on that?
Who is he?
Ivory Riller Benson?
Riller Benson. Yeah.
He just came on, so.
No,
My phone
here.
had cut off and I couldn't video.
I got you, Mr. Riller Benson. He was here. He was having some difficulty. He was on Zoom and then he lost connection, so he's called in.
So
his offer is going to display.
Oh, and was he got a suspended license?
Yes.
Yes, I showed you all the proof of you needed earlier.
Oh, I talked to you already? Yeah, Your
Right,
Honor.
yeah, you talked to me already. I just couldn't zoom in. It for some reason it clicked off, so I had to call
Okay,
it.
sir. All right, Your Honor. So you called it, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
No. No. Hold on, Mr. Riller Benson. This is the People versus Ivory Riller Benson, ticket number SP 1196010. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Ivory. Want me to say my name?
Go ahead.
My name is Ivory Riller Benson.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Riller Benson. He did show me his proofs this morning. He has a license dated March 14, 2025, insurance dated 8/25/2023, and a registration dated September 23rd, 2023. I'm moving for dismissal of his matters.
You stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Soroki.
So stipulated.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Rilla Benson. Good luck to you, sir, and have a good holiday.
Thank you. You too. Take care. Be safe.
Thank you. Find out about this one. You do. These are state matters.
So, Judge, regarding the probation, what was she put on probation and what's the term?
Her term was originally, excuse me. So she was originally placed on a 9-month term. And
hold on, before you go, Ms. Tucker, Ms. Robinson, you have 2 cases that are set for trial January 24th at 9 o'clock. Ms. Robinson, did you get that?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
You have 2 tickets that are set for trial January 24th at 9.
Okay.
You're all set. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
January 24th at 9. Yeah.
Is today's matter going to be scheduled on the same date?
Say that one more time.
Is today's matter going to be put on the same date?
Yeah, you know what? Yes, I'll move it to January 24th.
So just come back on January 24th at 9 o'clock, same Zoom number, Miss Robinson.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're all set.
All right.
may I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so she was placed on a 9-month probation term on August 12th of 2021. And it got extended, the last review. Her last review hearing, there was a probation violation on August 12th. So her probation got extended then, and then this is the second violation.
Okay, so if she had a 9-month probation on August 12th of 2021, and she didn't get extended until August 12th of 2022, her probation it's expired.
Yeah, the probation was extended, so this is the second violation. It was extended back in the summer. Let me see. We were trying to get her in drug court, but because of the time, she couldn't get in, so.
Okay, so here's my question. Was her probation extended during the original 9-month period she was on probation?
Yes, it was extended. I'm sorry. It was extended on May 12th. So the day she would have been discharged, it was extended because she had several missed screens. Then she got a violation, a review was held, but there was a probation violation, so it was extended. So it was already extended on May 12th. Probation was extended for 3 months.
November, December, January, February.
Then it was extended 6 months on August 12th.
Okay, so when I count from August 12th, it doesn't take me to May. I don't know, maybe I'm counting wrong.
No. I'm saying May 12th, it was extended for 3 months. Then it got extended on August 12th, which was the 3 months. It was extended for 6 more months. So her probation was extended twice.
I understand that, but when she originally got put on probation August 12th to 21. And you indicate the first time she gets extended is in May of the next year.
Yes.
So August to September, September to October, October to November, November to December, December, January, February, March, March to April, April to May. All right, I guess that's exactly 5 months on that. I mean, 9 months. All right, I'll talk to her.
All right, so check it out, YouTube.
Is it on? Actually, I think it's 1 day over, technically.